Only, bro.
Oh
you smell like, why you smell like a turkey sandwich around his mug? Oh! God. What? Why do you smell like a turkey sandwich down there?
Oh, it's on my head.
Who made turkey? Who made turkey? What's that?
What the fuck is that?
Who's that?
What is that?
Why off-white?
What?
It supposed to be off-white like that? Oh, you smell like lunch! Why you smell like lunch?
What's up, BTGANG? What's up, gang? It's your boy back with another bucket guy. Ain't playing no games. Today, I'm finna be getting my girlfriend replacing conditioner with mayonnaise. I'm gonna be replacing the conditioner with mayonnaise. Oh! It is what it is. It's about to go down, man. She already got this hair day. She already got her hair conditioner stuff over there and brush. She ready. So she thought. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Smash the notification bell if you haven't already. Smash the notification bell, make it go ring, ding, dong. Aye, ring a ding, 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 dong. Smash that notification bell so you get the notifications whenever we drop new videos, gang, gang. Post notification, gang. Post notification. Shout outs go to Aura O'Neal, Sabrina McCarthy, Jennifer Wagner, Lauren Thomas, and Amani Justice. Hey, thank y'all so much for turning in the comments. We love you guys so much. And if anybody want to shout out any of our videos, make sure you hashtag post notification gang down in the comments and yeah, your post notification bell turned on, gang gang. Let's get straight into this thing. I'm finna be replacing her hair conditioner with mayonnaise. She upstairs doing something. So let's hurry up. Let's get this thing. Camera 2. Activate. She ain't gonna know nothing. She ain't gonna know nothing. Yay!
Eventually.
Baby. Woo, finally ready to finish your hair.
Yes, then we can watch Love Island after I finish.
Alright, can you hurry up, bro? Take it all day.
Oh, my head hurts.
They been fell out of love with my by the time your ass.
Oh! I need to wash this out. I think that's all I need.
That's all you need, my baby.
You can start it if you want to, or you can wait till I finish.
You want me started?
Huh?
You want me started?
If you want to, or you can wait till I finish.
Oh, okay.
It's up to you.
Go to my Roku remote. Let me go to my Roku remote.
Oh, my scalp itch. Oh my God.
Scalp your scalp.
All that damn aloe vera out my damn
Aloe
head.
vera, you get all that damn dandruff out your hands first. Damn that aloe vera.
Ready for this some more. Love that.
Your back not ready?
What's up with that?
You good?
Hmm?
You good? Your back? You want me to come rub it for you?
No, I'm good. Hold up.
What's wrong?
Wait a minute.
It's like pain.
Seriously, what the fuck?
You got any baking soda?
Yeah, we should.
That's gross. Not while I'm trying to wash my hair.
What's wrong with the
Can
damn
you look
sink?
for some baking soda? Oh,
Yeah, let me look at this.
oh my God.
Let me look at that for you.
Hurry up.
Okay.
Ooh. That ain't even right.
Nah, we ain't got that.
That ain't even right.
Let me smell it. Let me see.
Ain't no baking soda? We got baking soda, babe. What you doing?
Huh?
What you doing? Here, do it for me then. Okay, we got baking, babe.
Huh?
I don't need your help. I need you to find some baked rock.
Huh? I'm trying to
When I
you
want
need
you to
help.
help
Oh,
me.
I told you I ain't got a baby soda. We ain't got
Okay,
nothing.
do we have apple cider vinegar? I don't need your help on my hair. I don't need your help on my hair. I want you to find something for this stanky ass thing.
Yeah, look, I was like, just pour it down the thing.
Yeah, pour a little bit.
That ain't gonna stay even more.
You turn it to hot water. Ooh, God damn.
Bro, you
Did
done got
you
some
leave
of
some
that?
dishes in the sink overnight?
Nah, you done got some of that. What's the name on it, bro?
Oh my
You
God.
smell like, why you smell like a turkey sandwich around his mother?
Oh!
God damn.
That shit is gross.
What?
Why you smell like a turkey sandwich down there?
Oh, it's on my head.
Who made turkey? Who made turkey? What's that?
What the fuck is that?
What's that?
What is that?
Why your shit off white?
Why the
You supposed to be off white like that? Oh, you smell like lunch. Why you smell like lunch?
hair is not the why the fuck is my hair?
What kind of conditioner is this? Ah, nah, this conditioner. Oh, that's expired.
You mean what kind of no my conditioner? What'd you put in my conditioner?
What you mean?
What you put in my conditioner?
How you gonna blame it on me?
Because there ain't nothing wrong with my conditioner. I use this conditioner all the
Smell it.
time.
Smell it. Make sure it's good. It might be old. Tasha, your conditioner old as hell. What's wrong with you?
Conditioner ain't gonna expire in
It's old. Smell that shit. Look. You gonna tell me it ain't gonna fire something?
It's not gonna expire in stink.
Tasha, you look funny looking and you stink. You stink. Smell it. God damn, that shit stink. Oh!
I
Oh!
swear to God.
Tasha, that.
What is that?
Let me see.
What is it? What is? No, stop with me, cause you playing with my hair. You know how I feel about my hair, Brock. You finna piss me the
Make
off.
sure ain't no mayonnaise in nothing up in there. Let me just make sure ain't no mayonnaise in nothing.
Yeah, okay. Okay.
Oh, this smell like mayonnaise.
What is
Oh, this
it?
smell like mayonnaise.
You put mayonnaise in there?
Huh?
You put mayonnaise in there?
No, we use Miracle Whip. We use Miracle Whip.
So you put Miracle Whip in the conditioner?
Huh?
Did you put Miracle Whip in the conditioner, Brock?
No, I put
Why are you playing with me?
putting that mayonnaise.
I just washed my hair.
They just
Why
put no
are you
mayonnaise.
playing?
I just put
now
mayonnaise.
you gonna wash this shit all over for me
Oh,
again?
put your head in there. Let me wash it out for you.
No, I don't trust you nowhere.
You got mayonnaise all over the damn thing?
Why the f- would you put mayonnaise in my
Come
hair?
back here.
That's dumb as
Let me-
fuck. Back the f- you finna piss me
You got it
off.
all over your eyebrow.
Piss me
Ah!
off.
What you? You got it over your eyebrow.
Get out. Okay. Why the f- would you do that?
It's an accident. It's an accident. I confused mayonnaise with conditioner. But I was making my ham sandwich. I was making a ham sandwich. I'm making a ham sandwich.
You put mayonnaise in my hair?
What? No, you put it in your goddamn hair. I put it in the conditioner bottle.
You tell me.
You put it in your goddamn hair.
You know what I mean? That shit stink like a motherfucker.
Put it in your hair.
I'm just gonna walk around smelling like it for how long?
No,
We
I
wear
know.
all that's fucking gross.
You should smell that. Figure out something. Put it in your hair. Put it in your hair. Right on me. Tasha, you did that, not me.
Oh!
Now look, you gonna put the show on still or what? Stop playing! Stop playing! I'm about to
Why
put the
would
show
you
on.
do that? I've been washing my hair for fucking 2 hours already.
Just put this on it.
You finna piss me the f***
Back on it, right here. Put this back
off.
on it.
Come here.
Ooh, this gonna be a good episode. It's gonna be a good episode. Stop playing!
I got some.
What you gonna do with that?
I'm gonna clamp the f*** out of
Stop,
you.
stop.
Oh!
You gonna feel the same kind of pain I'm feeling.
Stop. Let the goddamn tongs go. Let the barbecue tongs go.
Bruh.
You are annoying.
Tasha, just a little minute.
Go. That's fucking started. You stupid as hell.
I'm stupid. Okay.
Yes, you're dumb as f***. Why would you do that?
You gonna blame it on me?
Yes, I'm definitely. What you mean I'm gonna blame it on you? You put it in there.
Okay.
Alright, what's up? Watch out, bro.
What you looking for, Brock?
A little turkey and cheese. I'm gonna slap it over your forehead so I can make you a little sandwich.
You gonna keep fucking with me and I'm gonna whoop your
What? I'm gonna get a little turkey and cheese, make me a
You
sandwich.
asking for these hams.
You not hungry?
Clearly,
This shit is making me hungry. You not hungry?
This is
Tasha, you not hungry?
No, I don't even like mayonnaise on nothing. You know that shit. You lucky I don't throw up on your punk ass. Shit stink. And now I don't know how to wash it out because when I put the hot water in it, it stink even more. This smells gross.
What? I'm gonna make a sandwich. I'm making a sandwich. Stop playing.
Stop playing with me, my nigga. Stop playing.
You probably should go take a shower. It looks probably this sticky. I looked it up. They said it might turn your hair white. It might make you have gray hair.
Right.
Now I looked it up. It's strong. My name's really strong. You probably go. Stop it. Ah! Ah! Stop playing.
Come out. Don't hide now. Come out. Yeah, come out. I want a sandwich too.
Oh!
Right? You want some now?
I don't like mayonnaise though. You know that. Let me get my one on my sandwich. Where the ketchup? Oh, you doing?
What?
No.
Huh?
We making a sandwich.
It's on the tape. It's on the
Oh,
tape.
yeah, we
It's on the tape. Catch it on the tape.
over there.
Catch it on. It is on the tape.
Something out of your
I'm trying to show you. It's on the tape. It's right there. Tasha, look right there. That's on the tape.
We go. Stop
Right.
playing.
It's right on the tape.
You gonna be a sandwich.
Stop
I don't
playing.
know what kind we
Hold
gonna
on.
make you.
Well, let me eat the lettuce for both of us. Why'd you play around? You like to put damn coconut oil on this shit.
At least I can butter you up.
Okay, at least put hot sauce on there. Put hot sauce. Put hot sauce. Put hot sauce. Put hot sauce. You about to turn me to some damn vinaigrette.
Yeah, you gonna get something. We making sandwiches and shit. Stop
Say
playing.
I'm gonna smack you with this shit right now. Stop playing.
Stop playing. Stop playing. Get out, Brock. Get out. Get out. Get out, Brock. Retarded ass.
Oh, my mama. I'm about to touch.
Oh, my mama.
It's just a little damn mayonnaise.
You know I don't like mayonnaise.
Put some goddamn vinaigrette in my goddamn face.
Oh!
Black people don't eat that shit.
Tasha, give me some lime juice so I can mix it with the damn oil.
I'm dumb ass. Eat that shit. Nasty. Oh my God.
Tasha, okay, it's just a prank.
If I throw up, I'm throwing
That's just
up.
prank.
I wouldn't give a f. You still did it. Man, I still smell like the shit.
You like you've been headbutting paint. You got a new job?
About to head, but your
You got a new job as a painter? Let me know.
About-
I'm proud of you. You got a new job?
Oh, so the coconut oil wasn't enough.
That was enough.
We need to get
Nah, ha ha. Nah, that was enough.
We need to get sticky.
Huh? Nah, that was enough.
We need to get sticky.
Ha ha ha.
Let's try some chocolate.
That was enough.
Let's try
That was
chocolate.
enough.
Let's try
That was enough.
chocolate.
Don't play. Don't play. Don't play. I will squirt this goddamn ketchup on your ass. I'm not playing. Get back
I
up.
already got mayonnaise in my hair.
Back up.
I already got a mayonnaise.
Ah!
Motherfucker.
Tasha, you should have a food fight. You might as
Let's
well
play.
get. Tasha, you might as
Let's
well get naked
play.
and do it.
I want to play.
You might as well get naked and do it. Yeah, food fight.
We ain't doing shit. I stink. What the fuck you mean?
Tasha, that's not
Get
abnormal.
away from me.
That's not abnormal.
Okay, look.
I'm coming to wipe the chocolate off my lips. It's a prank. I told you it's a prank.
I wouldn't give a fuck. I still smell like mayonnaise.
You don't see this gang
The
gang?
fuck you mean?
Should have put this white chocolate out of the ear and shit.
I don't give a damn.
And vinaigrette and oil all in my goddamn face.
My whole bottle of conditioner, bro.
Huh?
For your stupid ass video.
No, I got the conditioner for you. It's over here. Look, I tucked it over here for you. Why you didn't check behind the liquor bottle? Damn. You should have just checked behind the liquor bottle. I had it right here for you the whole time. You should have checked behind the liquor bottle.
Give me my damn conditioner. Get your ass the fuck out. You're always doing too much. Go sit down somewhere. Because you destructive as
Let me help you out.
Right.
Let me help you out. Yes, I'm coming down your face. Alright, yeah, we about here. Tasha, man, she don't like mayonnaise on the sandwich. I love mayonnaise on my sandwiches, personally.
You look like you like mayonnaise.
You,
You type of
you want to make
that
sandwiches?
like mayonnaise. That's why your blood fell over here and it's all in the water.
You wanna make
And
sandwiches
bro,
for dinner?
You can say goodbye to that weed.
Do you want to make sandwiches for dinner?
No.
We out, gang. We got it. Team Brock, stand up. Let's go.
What?
You see the other camera over here?
I heard you were talking to that one, wasn't you?
Can you get a close up, please?
Brock is annoying. But tell that we said long hair don't. Oh my God.
That's what I was trying to tell you. That's what I was trying to tell you. was her test.
Best friend, you're my best friend.